check out how I went from these to these on Canva. Not Photoshop, but Canva. Let me show you. This is what we are faced with from AI, right? So let's see what we can do about this. So if you don't have Canva yet, here's my link. Download Canva. It's for free. And if you want to upgrade, also use my link, okay? It's going to be in the comment section, description section, the link in bio. Like, look for it. You're going to find it. Get it. Download it. Let's go. Let's zoom in. At this point in time, it's either we just take this whole thing out and get a sleeve from somewhere else and add to this, or we just take that out. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, so we're going to click to select the picture, go to edit photo. We're going to use the magic eraser tool as usual. I'm going to do whatever I can to see if this will work. Okay. All right. Let's see. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Yeah. Not bad. It's actually filling it up. Let's see. I just want to make sure.
Mommy?
Yes.
Why are you always think it's like a revenue?
Because Chibi get big head, okay? Okay. So you can see it's beginning to fade out. Okay, so we're gonna keep working on that part. Okay, as you can see, let's zoom out a little. That hand is out and this is looking like good, right? Now let's see if we can get something going on this one. Okay, let's go. I'm going to increase this brush size a little. Go in like that. I'm not gonna go too in, so it looks like shadow, you know. Okay, let's see what this gets me. I like to experiment, so let's see. Booyah! I love this. Canva is killing it. As you can see, this is the best route. Let's see. Perfect! 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 Perfecto! Okay, so we'll go back to magic eraser tool. This is what we got. Go. I did that through Canva. Just check this out. We went from, let me show you what we went from. We went from this to that. Like that. No Photoshop. Nothing. Easy peasy fix. What? Like, for real? I love this. So like and follow for more Canva hacks like this. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, you know what to do. Subscribe and tap on the bell button to know when I upload new video. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.